Executive Vice President and Head of Consumer Banking, Ms. Jin Vigo.
Thank you very much, Wella. Thank you. A nice afternoon to everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome our partners from the press and the media, and our valued partners from BPI MS Insurance Corporation, led by President and CEO Noriyuki Kobayashi, and all our BPI colleagues who helped make this milestone possible. Today, we are launching an insurance solution that will help more Filipino families face life's toughest challenges with courage, confidence, and peace of mind. The reality is that many Filipino families are just one diagnosis away from financial difficulty. With 18.3% medical inflation and 44% of healthcare costs paid out of pocket, a single diagnosis can erase years of savings. I know this reality not just from the statistics point of view, but from personal experience. I have seen firsthand the anxiety and agony that a critical illness brings. Not once, but thrice. When my mom, my dad, my husband got diagnosed with cancer. Beyond the physical toll, I distinctly recall the heavy burden of worry, the constant question of whether we could afford the full, kaya ba? Prolonged cost of chemotherapy, kakayanin pa ba? Medications, diagnosis, and hospitalization. The fear is not just about the diagnosis itself, but about the potential inability to secure the necessary treatment they need. This worry highlights why being insured is not just a nice to have. It is essential to peace of mind. A critical illness brings enough pain. The family should be able to focus completely on recovery and well-being, not on financial calculations and stress. With healthcare costs rising faster than inflation and many still paying out of pocket, we knew something had to change. That's why we partnered closely with BPI MS to make protection simpler, more affordable, and within reach. BPI Kaya Care is our collective answer. An accessible critical illness insurance that provides a financial safety net when it is needed the most. This plan is an affordable critical illness plan that offers a lump sum cash benefit upon diagnosis of the covered critical illnesses. The big three: cancer, heart attack, and stroke. This is what sets Kaya Care apart from typical health coverage like HMO plans. While traditional HMOs are crucial for day-to-day medical services, BPI Kaya Care provides a lump sum of cash for the most catastrophic diagnosis. This cash is paid directly to the insured, giving them the confidence to know they have a financial cushion. This alleviates the financial strain, empowering them to manage unexpected medical costs without derailing their financial goals. The plan is designed to be a straightforward first step in protecting yourself and your loved ones from the financial impact of a serious illness. You can get protected for an 18-year-old for as low as $563 a year, making critical illness insurance accessible to more Filipinos. At BPI, our purpose has always been clear: to help build a better Philippines, one family, one community at a time. And today, we strengthen that purpose by helping more Filipinos take that first step toward financial wellness and health security. BPI Kaya Care is more than just a policy. It is a symbol of empowerment. It is a step forward, making protection truly inclusive, one Filipino at a time. To our partners at BPI-MS, thank you for the collaboration and shared vision. And to our media partners, may we continue to bring this message forward. Every Filipino deserves the confidence to keep creating, working, and living without fear of what if. BPI Kaya Care is a testament to what shared purpose can achieve, where banking meets compassion and where insurance becomes an instrument of empowerment. This is our commitment. This is our purpose. And with BPI Kaya Care, we can proudly say, kaya na. At kayang-kaya nating harapin ang bukas. Thank you and have a good day.